Altura, Signo, Idade, Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Aline John YTT. And from here you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. And here you will also find many others viral stickers, like this one for example, so you can check this too if you want. So there we have it. You have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So from here you can go to your upload and choose a photo with you. So I will go with this photo right here. And you have to go to text, and then you have to type in your height, and then you have to type in your zodiac sign, and then you have to type in your age, and you can make it bigger or smaller and place it where you want. So from here, once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah guys, now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you're not able to click on the add your story, you have to go to my page, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube video right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.